You want to decorate your cupcakes for Halloween with sugar paste or fondant, but want to use no sugar? I have the recipe you need. I decorate my Halloween cupcakes with little cute pumpkins as witches and ghosts. Everything is made from natural ingredients that you can buy anywhere and is edible. If you like my video, I very much appreciate your support, and it would make me really very happy if you would leave a comment or like and subscribe to my channel. All my recipes are gluten-free, vegan and without normal refined sugar. This fondant is made in no time and is very easy to make. The basis for our sugar-free fondant is soft, dried apricots. We press these through a garlic press once or twice. This mass is very sticky, so we add blanched, very finely ground almonds and knead vigorously until the mass is full enough. Now our sugar-free fondant is ready to use. If you want to see how I bake and decorate my sugar-free healthy cupcakes for Halloween, click right here for the next video. See you. Bye bye.